In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create text to image in Canva. So start by heading over to canva.com. Then next in the left panel, click or hover your mouse on more, then click on apps. So here inside apps, search for an app called AI Image Generator and click on it. Now use it in your existing or your new design. And here in the left panel, simply type in your detailed prompt describing the image that you want, like this, and do all the modifications you want, like change the style and aspect ratio, and press generate. You can always make adjustments or changes in the design simply by refining your prompt and generate again for better results. And here, Canva will then generate the design exactly the same with the text that you entered. You can add it to your design and use it anywhere you want it to use. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!